Hey there, welcome. Today we're diving into a common data manipulation problem that many of us face. Imagine you have a data set with various columns, and you need to keep all the rows that have at least one null value. This can be quite tricky to achieve, especially if you're used to dropping nulls rather than keeping them. Let's tackle this interesting problem together. Now, let's focus on the solution to our data wrangling challenge. The key to keeping all rows that contain at least one null value lies in using the concept of any_horizontal in Polus. By utilizing the expression df.filter, pl any_horizontal, pl all, null, we can effectively filter our data frame to retain only the rows that meet our criteria. This concise line of code allows us to identify and preserve the rows with null values across any column, ensuring that no valuable data is lost in the process. In summary, we've explored a practical solution to the problem of retaining rows with null values in a dataset using the powerful capabilities of Polus. By implementing the provided code snippet, you can effortlessly filter and maintain the rows that contain at least one null, streamlining your data processing workflow. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content, like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any data challenges you'd like to see covered next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of data.